Hello friends, Namaste. In this session, let's learn in Maths Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Open your book. Question number 1 is using appropriate properties and find. First question, negative 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. We have to use the properties. Therefore, we first make the group. This is first term, this is second, and this is third. When there is multiplication sign, the term remains same. Therefore, this is the same term and this also is the same term. Let's make the group of negative 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2 will remain alone. Here we use the associative property because we make the group. Now, in this term and in this term, there is 3 upon 5 common. Therefore, we take 3 upon 5 as the common number. 3 upon 5. Therefore, here remains negative 2 upon 3. 3 upon 5 is common. Therefore, here remains negative 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Here we use the distributive property because there is multiplication and subtraction. Now we simplify this bracket. 3 upon 5, here there is 3 and here there is 6 as the denominator. Therefore, we have to take LCM. LCM will be 6. Therefore, here we multiply with 2. Negative 2 into 2 upon 3 into 2 minus here 6. Therefore, we multiply by 1. 1 multiply by 1 upon 6 multiply by 1 plus 5 upon 2. 3 upon 5 in bracket negative 2 into 2 means negative 4. Negative 1 into 1 means negative 1. And there is 6 as the denominator plus 5 upon 2. Now negative 4, negative 1. Therefore answer will be negative 5. 3 upon 5. This sign is of multiplication. Multiply by negative 5. Negative 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2 is given. Now 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 1 into negative 1 means negative 1. 2 into 1 means 2. Therefore, negative 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Here denominator is same. Therefore, 2 is as the denominator and numerator negative 1 plus 5. Negative 1 plus 5 means 4. 5 minus 1 equals 4 and the sign of greater digit, therefore 4 plus 4 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Therefore, answer will be positive 2. Question number 2. 2 upon 5 into negative 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. Here there are 3 terms. This is number 1, this is second and this is third. Now we arrange the term. Here there is 2 upon 5 in this term. Here also there is 2 upon 5 in this term. Therefore, we put this term first, this term second, and in last this term. Here we use the associative property. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now in these two terms there is 2 upon 5 in common. Therefore, we take 2 upon 5 common. Here remains negative 3 upon 7 plus here 1 upon 14 minus here the simplification of this term is 1 ones are 1, negative 2 twos are 4. Here we use distributive property. Now simplify this bracket. Here denominator is 7, here denominator is 14. Therefore LCM will be 14. 2 upon 5. We have to multiply 7 with 2. Negative 3 into 2 upon 7 into 2. Plus here there is 14. Therefore we have to multiply by 1. 1 ones are 14 ones are. Negative 1 upon 4 equals 2 upon 5. Here answer is negative 3 into 2 means negative 6 plus 1 ones are 1 upon 14 is common, negative 1 upon 4. 2 upon 5, negative 6 positive 1 means negative 5, negative 5 upon 14 minus 1 upon 4. Now we simplify this first two term. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. 1 into negative 1 means negative 1. 1 into 7 means 7. Minus 1 upon 4 is given. Now here also denominator are not same. Therefore take the LCM. LCM will be 28. Therefore we have to multiply this term with 4 and this term with 7. Negative 1 into 4, 7 into 4. Negative 1 into 7, 4 into 7. Therefore denominator will be same. Negative 1 into 4, negative 4. Negative 1 into 7, negative 7. Upon 7 fours are 28. Negative 4, negative 7. Therefore we have to do sum of these two numbers. 4 plus 7, 11. And sign of greater number, negative. Negative 11 upon 28. This is the answer. Question number 2. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. You have to write additive inverse. Therefore the number will remain same but the sign will be opposite. First is 2 upon 8. This is positive number. Therefore additive inverse of this number is negative 2 upon 8. Second, negative 5 upon 9. This number is negative. Therefore additive inverse of this number will be positive 5 upon 9. Third, negative 6 upon negative 5. Friends, here denominator and numerator both are negative. Therefore the ultimately this fraction is positive. Negative into negative equals positive. Therefore the number, this number itself is 6 upon 5. Now the additive inverse of 6 upon 5 is negative 6 upon 5. Therefore answer will be negative 6 upon 5. 2 upon negative 9. This number here positive and here negative. Therefore this given number is negative fraction, a negative rational number. Therefore additive inverse of this number is positive 2 upon 9. Here there also numerator is negative, denominator is negative and numerator is positive. Therefore this number is negative. Therefore additive inverse of this number is positive 19 upon 6. Now question number 3. Verify that negative x equals x for the first number is x equals 11 upon 15. You have to take 11 upon 15 instead of x and you have to prove negative into negative x equals x. Now LHS is negative into negative x. Now we take 11 upon 5 in the place of x. Negative x equals 11 upon 15. Sorry, 11 upon 5, not 11 upon 15. Negative into negative, positive 11 upon 15 means negative into negative x is positive x. Hence it is proved that negative into negative 11 upon 15 equals 11 upon 15 means negative into negative x equals x. Now second sum of question number 3 is x equals negative 13 upon 17. Same question. Therefore, you have to do this sum on your own yourself. Now, question number 4. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. In question number 4, you have to write multiplicative inverse of the given number. In multiplicative inverse, we do not change the sign of the number, but we only change numerator and denominator. Negative 13, there is not denominator is seen, but there is 1 as denominator. Therefore, multiplicative inverse of negative 13 is 1 upon negative 13. Negative 13 upon 19. Here 13 is numerator, denominator is 19. Multiplicative inverse negative 11 will be numerator and 13 negative 19 will be numerator and 13 will be denominator. Therefore, negative 13 upon 19. Multiplicative inverse negative 19 upon 13. 1 upon 5. We reverse this number. Therefore, 5 upon 1. But 1 is not needed to write. Negative 5 upon 8 multiply by negative 3 upon 7. First we multiply both this number. Negative 5 into negative 3. 5 3s are 15, negative negative positive. 8 7s are 56. Now multiplicative inverse of 15 upon 56 will be 56 upon 15. Number 5, negative 1 into negative 2 upon 5. First we multiply. Negative 1 into negative 2, positive 2 upon 5. Now multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 5 will be 5 upon 2. Negative 1, here there is 1 as the denominator. Therefore, multiplicative inverse of this number is 1 upon negative 1, means negative 1. We have already learned that the multiplicative inverse of 1 and negative 1 is the number itself. Now question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. The first one is negative 4 upon 5 into 1 equal 1 into negative 4 upon 5 equal to negative 4 upon 5. Friends, here 1 is multiplied with negative 4 upon 5, and we know that when we multiply 1 with any rational number, the rational number will be same itself. Therefore, here multiplicative identity is used. Second, negative 13 upon 17 multiply negative 2 upon 7 equals negative 2 upon 7 multiply negative 13 upon 17. Here the order of the rational number is changed. In first term there is negative 13 upon 17 first, and in second term negative 13 upon 17 is at the second number. Therefore, here only the order of the number is changed. Therefore, here is commutative property is used. Now number 3, negative 19 upon 29 multiply by 29 upon negative 19. In question number 4, we have already learned that multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of negative 19 upon 29 is 29 upon negative 19. When we multiply both these numbers, we get 1 as the answer. Therefore, here multiplicative inverse is used. Now, question number 6. Question number 6. Multiply 6 upon 13 by reciprocal of negative 7 upon 16. We have to multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of negative 7 upon 16. Therefore, reciprocal of negative 7 upon 16 will be negative 16 upon 7. Now multiply both these numbers. 16 6 are 96. Negative into positive, negative. 13 7s are 91. Therefore, answer will be negative 96 upon 91. Now question number 7. Tell what property allows you to compute 1 upon 3 in bracket 6 into 4 upon 3 is 1 upon 3 into 6 in bracket multiply 4 upon 3. Here both term the numbers are same, 1 upon 3 6 and 4 upon 3, 1 upon 3 6 and 4 upon 3. Here there is group of 6 into 4 upon 3. Here group is changed 1 upon 3 into 6. Means here the numbers are same but the group is changed. Therefore here we use associative property. Question number 8. Is 8 upon 9 is the multiplicative inverse of negative 1 integer 1 upon 8? Friends, we already know that if the multiplication of two numbers is 1, then and then also this is the multiplicative inverse of each other. Let's try. 8 upon 9 multiply negative 1 integer 1 upon 8. Means 8 upon 9 multiply 8 ones are 8 plus 1 means negative 9 upon 8. Now we cut 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. Here the sign is negative 1. 1 into negative 1 means negative 1 is the answer. Here we do not get 1 as the answer but we get negative 1 as the answer. Therefore, we can say that 8 upon 9 is not multiplicative inverse of negative 1 integer 1 upon 8. Question number 9. Is 0.3 multiplicative inverse of 3 integer 1 upon 3? Let's do. We multiply 0.3 with 3 integer 1 upon 3. 0.3 means 3 upon 10. Multiply 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3. Let's cut 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. 1 into 1, 1 into 1 means answer is 1. When we multiply 0.3 and 3 integer 1 upon 3, we get 1 as the answer. Therefore, we can say that yes, 0.3 is multiplicative inverse of 3 integer 1 upon 3. Now, in your maths textbook page number 15, question number 10, write first one is the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Friends, 0 has not reciprocal because 0 means 0 upon 1. When we write the reciprocal of 0, answer will be 1 upon 0. And we know that 1 upon 0 is not defined. Therefore, the rational number that does not have a reciprocal will be 0. Second, the rational number that are equal to their reciprocals. Answer is 1 and negative 1. Because the reciprocal of 1 is 1 and the reciprocal of negative 1 is negative 1. Third one, the rational number that is equal to its negative means 0. 0 positive and negative both are equal. 0 means 0. Therefore, the answer will be 0. Now 11. Fill in the blanks. First, 0 has dash reciprocal means no reciprocal. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Second, the numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals means 1 and negative 1. 1, the reciprocal of 1 is its own itself, number itself, and negative 1 also not the number itself. Therefore, the answer will be 1 and negative 1. The reciprocal of negative 5 is there is 1 as the denominator Therefore, reciprocal of negative 5 upon 1 is negative 1 upon 5. Answer will be negative 1 upon 5. Fourth, reciprocal of 1 upon x, where x is not 0. Friends, here the condition is given that x is not 0 because the denominator will not be 0 in any condition. Now reciprocal of 1 upon x, then x upon 1 means x. Therefore answer will be x. Fifth, the product of two rational number is always means a rational number. When we multiply two rational number, we always get rational number as the answer. Number 6, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive, and reciprocal of negative rational number is negative. Here the answer will be positive. Thank you.